guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already part of the Whitty gang. Today's video is just gonna be about me doing my everyday makeup look, as you can see here. If this is something you guys want to see, keep watching. So first I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer for primer. I like it a lot. It's it really, you know, helps with the pores and all that good stuff. And as y'all can see, I've already done my eyebrows, if you can't already tell. And then for foundation, I'm just going to use the Morphe Fluidity foundation in the shade F3110. I like this foundation because how it feels like, and it's like a skin-like finish even though it is matte, so my face stays matte for the most part all day, but it doesn't look too dry, if that makes sense. And then for concealer, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder Eraser in the shade Golden. And then I'm going to use another concealer just under the eye. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 18. I'm not sure if they have names, but this is the shade 18. I just put this under my eye just to make it slightly brighter. And I'm just going to put it like right in the corners here. And just blend it out. Down. I gotta contour these cheeks. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place shade stick in the shade Sokoto. So what I do with this one, I just warm it up on the back of my hand like so, and I just pick this up slightly with the end of my beauty blender and then apply it like so. I like doing it like this because it just blends in better for me, and it just, you know, yeah, it's just a better blend. So now to set my makeup, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. HD powder. This is like a sheer translucent powder. I like this powder because it really sets my makeup all day. The color's a little off, so I'm just gonna go in behind that and use my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Sahara. Let's get these creases out first, then go in with the e.l.f. powder. just want to press that in as much as possible. It's a very thin layer. Try not to bake. Even though I get oily like around this area, it's not, I don't like it to, it's like, if I bake, it gets too dry. Like if I bake, if I walk like straight out the house after I bake, I'm looking like a damn ghost. Not a ghost, but it's just too dry. So I try not to bake. I try to just make sure the powder is in there, like smooth. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place powder, and you want to also do a very thin layer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact Powder, and just I'm gonna set the rest of my face with this and wipe off my excess setting powder with this as well. And I'm gonna go in with bronzer. This is the Ulta Natural Glow Matte Bronzer in the shade Tan as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just contour my nose with this same bronzer. And usually when I contour my nose, I just go like right in this corner here and just come down to my eyebrow and just bring it down like that.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Then for highlighter, I'm just gonna use this Highlight Fairies by Lime Crime. This is the Fairies. I'm just gonna use the golden shade, which is, they have a gold shade and like a purplish blue shade and like an ashy pink shade. I'm just gonna use the gold shade today, which is Magic. Oh, I forgot blush. So for blush, I forgot to use my blush, but so for blush, I'm gonna be using the Bella shade. This is the Juvia's Place blush in the shade Bella. I've used this before here. I don't like to use too much blush, so I always just like dab it and then like get some of it off, and I don't like that mirror's too little. Okay, so now back to highlighter. So I use, like I said, the golden shade in this Lime Crime highlight palette. I basically just do the tip of my nose, and then I do like the bridge across here, and then just bring it down. I don't really connect it because I want to make it look like a, kind of buttony, you know what I mean. And then before I do my eyes, I'm just gonna set on my face with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Starberry setting spray. So after that dries, I like to go ahead and fix my eyebrows anywhere that I might have messed it up during this whole process. Looking good. Okay, so now for the most part, like for every day, I don't really use eyeshadow. So what I do is I just use my NYX concealer, which is the Above and Beyond Full Concealer. I use this to line my eyebrows. So I'm just going to take a flat / fluffy kind of brush. And I usually do this too, like even if I am about to use eyeshadow, and I just put that all over the lid, all the way up. And I just go in with my beauty blender and letting that out. Then I take the excess powder that's on this wedge that I already used under my eye and just set that. It's just excess powder. There's no extra powder on here. And just set that there. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara, of course, in the color black. And I'm just going to do the bottom of my top lashes. I don't like putting too much. Just one coat, because I'm about to put some falsies on. And then I take my Crayon Case Sharp Me Fine Point Tip Liner and just sometimes I do a wing, sometimes I don't. I don't know what I want to do today. Let me see. I don't know if I want to do a wing today. Probably not. But I'm just gonna put the line in the area where I'm gonna put my falsies. Now I have really hooded eyes, so I cannot put like thick eyeliners that it will, I don't know, it just be looking crazy. Now for lashes, I'm going to use this set that I bought from my local beauty supply stores. This is by Poppy and Ivy Beauty in the 5D Darling Lashes in the style Sparrow. So what I do is I put lash glue on my lash line and also on the falsies. They actually last longer and they apply easier that way. I actually got that from Beats by Deb, and I've been doing that ever since because it just works like a charm. Like I just really started using falsies because I could not apply them right. They would never apply right. Like, so I just was like, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? For a long time. And my sister, Ash Cake, shout out to Ash Cakes, she always wears lashes. Like, she'll put a pair of lashes on and keep them on for like a week and shit. And I used to be trying to do that, and I wake up and my lashes would be like sideways and all types of ways. And I'm like, how the hell how is your lashes not messing up like this? I don't know. It's like I sleep on my face or something. So they always mess up. They always, be messed up the next day. And then I couldn't apply them right. So I just stopped wearing them. Because either Ash Cakes was gonna put on my lashes and then they last for like a week or so, or I was gonna have to put them on every day, and I could not apply them every day because they would never come out right. So yeah, child, I'm coming up, child, because like a year ago this time I was not wearing lashes. Now I'm going to take my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Pure White and do my waterline here. Now for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna take my eyeliner, right? I'm gonna take my liquid liner and just hold it like parallel to my face and just like come down kind of like mascara. I like doing it like this because it doesn't get clumpy at all, but it does cover the lashes and it helps to cover up any white that has gotten onto the lash. I'm just gonna do my inner corner with this ashy pink shade here in the highlighter palette by Lime Crime. And now for lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. And then I'm gonna just fade it in slightly in the corners. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe lip gloss in the shade Chill. So this is the final look, and this is just my everyday when I do wear makeup, my days, and when I just want to just throw some shit on and run the streets or whatnot. This would be my look of the day. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and join the Whitty Girl Gang, aka the Whitty Girls, aka the Pretty Whitties. Let me know if y'all want to see anything, you know, any other like looks, or if you want me to review anything or things like that. Let me know what you liked about this my process. Let me know if you have anything that will help me improve my process. I'm open to everything. Comment down below. Yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.